I'm gonna make another little time-lapse video. Why? Because they're so much fun to make, and they look pretty cool. It's a nice day. It's not sunny. It's kind of cloudy, which means there's be no shadows cast. And this is a really dirty driveway. You can see way up there what it looks like when I'm gonna get done, but I'm gonna let y'all watch me do this one. Do about every 5 seconds, take a picture, stitch it together, make it look cool. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing, 615-405-8731. Get ready for spring today with a driveway wash. Does that look good? Oh yeah, it does. But am I done? Well, I'm done with the driveway. I'm done with all the concrete on the premises. So these folks are now ready to move in. They're just wanted us out. They're moving in tomorrow. So tomorrow they've got a beautiful new home that they're getting to move in with clean concrete around the pool, the back, the front porch. Everything is now ready for them just to pull up and enjoy their new abode. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.